Hi guys, I'm back. Happy Friday. I'm doing an unboxing today of some fun junk journal goodies. As you can see, I have a box of washi tape. I have not opened it yet. And then I have another box. I opened the top, but I have not looked or touched the goodies. So we're gonna do that together. The company is called IEEBEE. I'll put it across the screen. Let's just get started. First, maybe we should look at the washi first. All right. And again, I'll put across the screen what kind of washi this is, because there's tons of kits on their site. They have really fun and cheapish junk journaling supplies. Let's see if I can get this open. I'll open it and come back. All right, so this one I think has some holiday washi. So, sorry my hands are like red and dry, it's winter. You know I love my polka dots. So stars, polka dots, looks like some Christmas, some snowmen. Let's see. More holiday, Christmas trees. I love bright colors and graphics, I guess. I'm not sure what they're called, but polka dots, yes. Zigzags or something like that. Is that called chevron maybe? Yeah, more polka dots. I'm gonna open this one up so we can see them without the packaging. I have a drawer that I put all my washi in, so I won't even probably use this container. Let's see. Might as well just open these up. Let's see. So, more polka dots, stars, just fun. I love washi. I love it in collage. I'm kind of obsessed. Let me know in the comments if you're obsessed with washi too. I probably have like 300 rolls. I'm not kidding you. I need to start using it more. But I do use it a lot in my journals. If you would like to see more videos on how to utilize washi, let me know. So, I'm real anxious to get into the other box. So let's go. All right. So this is what, it might be a little close up, but I'll just bring things into frame. But the first thing I wanted to show you is this packaging. This would be great for texture, so I'll probably save it. All right, I'll just grab one thing at a time. And then, of course, I'll put on the screen what this kit is called. I believe this is the journal. So, let me see. Am I upside down? Okay. So it's got some brown paper. This would be a good on-the-go kind of journal. Like if you're traveling to take with you to do some junk journaling. It's awesome. All right. Set things up here. What is this? So this, okay, let me just tell you real quick. The box stuff that I'm opening right now all came in a kit. So everything that, if you ordered this kit, you would get all these items. So this is more washi. The packaging is pretty cute too. Hold on. It's gonna be loud. All right. I feel like I need to open it so we can see what it looks like. That way, if you want to get the exact kit, you'll see it across the screen. So it's kind of whimsical. This is kind of cute. It's got butterflies, other purple. Yeah, this looks like very whimsical. Let me see if I can start it. Show you one of them. Okay, so it's pretty cute. Okay, so it's kind of like cat themed. So you can see another cat coming. And guys, I'm working on, I'll show you at the end of this video if you stick around, I'm working on more junk journal collage packs for sale. And a lot of times I do samples of washi on a card, so I'll be sending samples of this stuff, along with the junk journal packs. And I'll show you, like I said, I'll show them at the end. You can see where I'm at working on them. We've got several that are ready. Okay, so let's see what's in here. It's like I want to not ruin this envelope, but it looks like it already got kind of torn. But you can use this, upcycle this. What's this stuff called? Vellum? Yeah, I most likely will upcycle that. So this looks like, are they note cards? Yeah, these will be fun to decorate and make journal cards. So just a bunch of them. Different black, white, brown. All right, here's a pack of stencils. This is why I picked this kit, actually. Let's look at these. I don't know if they'll be hard to see on camera because they're white. Let's see if I put it like this, maybe. So then, ooh, those are great. I'm gonna actually use those tonight because I wanted to stock up on some of my words and numbers for my kits. I might not show all these, but I'll show you some of them. Shapes are great. This looks like some borders. There's a ton more shapes. I think they're upside down. Shapes. These are great for doing even stenciling just while you're decorating journal pages. I see some florals in here. So you get the point. I think there's like 20 of these possibly. These are a perfect little size to do like a page corner as you're decorating your journal. Okay, so lots of those. Now let's see. Okay, so it came with a little tool. This is good for spreading paint. And then what do we got here? Looks like stickers. So this is like a really big journal kit. Okay, so these are those, I forget what the word is, the transparent stickers. Let's see, my background's kind of rough for these. So floral botanicals, without making, a total mess, but I just did, so. Kind of vintagey-ish botanical. Oops, all right. Let me put these back and then I'll be right back. Probably keep this out. You know why? Because some of this stuff is hard to see with my background, I think. I'm kind of slaughtering this packaging, but this looks like little tags is what I think there. Yeah, so tags. Of course, tags are always useful. All right. And then a set of stamps. Looks like frames and maybe some corners. If you can see it. Acrylic, is that acrylic stamps? Yeah. Always love stamps. Let's see. All right, so these are those, you put your finger in these. These are great for using distress oxides. Do the page corners. So there's those. More tools. So it looks like a set of tweezers, 2 different kinds, a thin pair. I'll just take them out because I'm gonna anyways, so. All right, so we got, those are perfect. And then some twine. Twine's, I'm gonna need to bind a journal with twine. Twine's awesome. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Oh, this looks like just a fun envelope. I've always wanted to do the closure like that, and I haven't really done that. I'm gonna have to use this as like a guide. Okay. Let's see, I think these are, let's see. I'm trying to stay in frame. I think I'm like not sure what to call them, but I think they are like ephemera, but let's see. Let me get them out and I'll be back. Okay, so what's the word for these guys? I can't think of it. Die cuts, that's the word, die cuts, die cuts. So those are awesome. Leaf. And then there's a bunch of butterflies. So these are just different kinds of butterflies. Oops. There's a big butterfly. So those are pretty cool. Kind of running out of, oops, having an avalanche here. And the box keeps going. All right. So it looks like this is, you know, the block for the acrylic stamps. You set them on there and stamp. This is obviously a stamp pad. It looks like it could be shimmery. Let me open it up. Because I'm curious if it has like a, yeah, it looks like it could have like a gold kind of shimmer to it. And then black is always, I think that's black. No, maybe it's navy blue. Okay. Let's see. Oh, and then another one. Green. Can always use stamp pads. And then one more thing. It does come with a washi tape inspiration book. So there should be a ton of ideas on how to use washi in here. But just so you know. All right, this is gonna be a bunch of ephemera paper, I have a feeling. And I'll be sharing these yummy supplies in my journal packs too. I always send samples because I can't use all of this stuff. It's just too much. So let me see how I'm gonna do this. So, oops. So botanical stickers. Let's see. Oh, there's tons. Tons. Butterflies. So you kind of see it. All right, I'm running out of room here. So then what do we have? You know, you've seen this, like the faux vintage papers. I don't use this stuff a whole ton, but I'm sure tons of people do, so I'm happy to share it. And it looks like a bunch of little pieces. There's gotta be like a couple hundred pieces in here. All right, this one looks like it got squished. So all sorts of ephemera, pieces of paper. I love these little faux stamps though. Oops. I'm trying to shuffle through this quickly. But I'll definitely be sharing. I mean, these pieces are great for collage. I just forget I have them in the back of my room, craft room, but I love, like, you know, the writing's excellent. Here's, looks like some labels. Some more papers with the vintage, faux vintage theme. So you get the point. Tons and tons of papers. And I think that's everything. So try to pull it back in frame just a little bit. So it's quite a bit of stuff in this pack. And of course these stickers, the stamps, and then those washi tapes that I showed you already. All right. So I'm gonna get these put away or out of my way, and then I'm gonna show you those junk journal packs that I'm gonna post for sale. So if you'd like to stick around and see those for a second, stay. If not, then I just wanted to share this with you. Check out the video description if you're interested in what the website is, and like I said, I'll put it across the screen. And have a happy weekend, guys. I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, guys. These are the collage journal packs that I have ready to go. So I've posted several videos on what these entail, but they have all sorts of ephemera, handmade, stock stuff, some trim, some sewn things, collage fodder, unique papers, dyed papers, numbers, words. I mean, it's just a riffraff so that you can collage in your journal. There's words, quotes. I don't know if I said that, but I did. They're all unique, but have the same concept, so everyone gets a mixture of, you know, get what I'm saying? But if you order from me more than once, you will get entirely, mostly different things. I mean, there might be a little bit of repeat, but not really. Especially because a lot of it's handmade, hand stamped. And then of course there's things, like I said, that aren't handmade, but I want these to be a complete mixture, surprise. It's deceiving, but it's very thick. There's lots and lots and lots of layers in here. There's a handmade, hand-dyed envelope. But this looks like I have a dyed doily in this one. They're just fun to put together. If you'd like to order one, or however many, whatever you want to do, send me an email. I'll put it across the screen. It'll also be in the description. So these are ready to go. And then I'll show you one last thing. These are papers that I'm still cutting up to add to these ones, because I have 4 more packs that I'm working on. So then I'll have extras, and I've had orders come in, so I will be chopping up these papers, adding different pieces to these, and then sealing them up, and they'll be ready. So let me know if you're interested. I absolutely am obsessed with making these. They're so much fun. I'm gonna dye some papers tonight. So happy Friday, everyone. Again, I will see you later. Bye.